cans of chicken and 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, 1 small onion that I've chopped up in a kind of like a medium dice. And then we're adding about 1 clove's worth of minced garlic. You can add more if you want. This is probably like 2 cloves worth. To that, we're adding 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning. Do you guys know what's in poultry seasoning? I don't use it that often, but it's always so good. 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. Goes in there as well. And to that, we're adding 3 cups of chicken broth. I'm gonna give this a quick stir, make sure that all those flavors are combined, kind of break up some of that canned chicken. Then all you have to do is set this on high for about an hour. While we're waiting for that to cook, I've got this like small, just the 5 biscuit, not the grands. I'm just gonna take just some regular biscuits, and then we're just gonna flatten these out really, really thin. Go ahead and get a rolling pin and just roll these out as thin as possible. And once you have these biscuits really thinly rolled out, get a pizza cutter and just slice these into just kind of arbitrary shapes, strips, and then just cut them across like that. And it sounds like the crock pot's ready. So this has been cooking for about an hour. Just gonna mix everything together. Oh, this is gonna be so good, guys. And then all we have to do is add these biscuit dumplings, just one at a time, into the broth. You don't wanna like put these all at once because then it'll just clump together. This is such a nice, easy to make, cooler weather comfort food. I make this every winter, and sometimes even like in the early spring. Just give this another little stir. Just make sure that all those biscuit pieces are covered up, are coated in that broth. And then you're gonna put this right back on and put it on high for another hour. Oh, that looks so good. It smells amazing in here. Stir up this crock pot chicken and dumplings. Who knew that you could use canned biscuits to make dumplings? Take a bite, get a little bit of dumplings and a piece of the chicken, like so. Doesn't that look great? It's really warm, but it is delicious. Oh my gosh, very, very homey. You should make some.